talk today about our new assignment. This is our logo design. For this logo design, the materials that you need for today is a sheet of paper, or more if you guys want to do additional sketches, a Sharpie, thick or thin, or a darker colored marker to help emphasize your lettering, pencil and eraser, and then something to color with. So for this logo assignment, you guys are going to be designing your own logo. A logo is something, an image that helps represent a company. So if you think about the Nike check or the Apple logo, these, as soon as you see them, you know exactly what company is being represented. So for our assignment this week, you guys are going to be designing your own logo using your name or your nickname and some symbols that help represent who you are as a person. So for instance, you can see me right now. I am starting to sketch out my first ideas. For this week, I want you guys to try to do at least 4 different sketches. Think about different typography that helps represent you. And then also include at least 2 symbols that represent you. So again, for instance, I included my art materials that I really like to use because I am an artist, and also my chinchillas because they also mean a lot to me. You guys can include the sports you're involved in, activities you like to participate in, where your family came from, anything that helps best represent you. You can definitely include more than 2 symbols if you would like, but 2 symbols is minimum. Once you guys have chosen your guys' sketch that you prefer, you are going to start completing your final design. So you circle one of the 4, and then you can either work on the back of your sheet of paper or on another sheet and complete that final design. Make sure you guys are sketching first in pencil. I like to make my crisscross on my paper and pencil so that I can create a very balanced design. And then once I have that crisscross, it makes it a lot easier for me to complete it. Once my sketch is complete and I have outlined it in Sharpie, I go back in with my colors and I make sure that I add something color-wise. So for instance, in this design, I have created a fade design. Remember, if you guys have had me in class, I do the press and flick method to help blend my colors together. You can also layer colors over top of each other. So if you do a medium pressure, add 1 layer of color, and then take another medium pressure a little bit harder, and then color over top of it. Those colors are going to blend together and create a new color. Also try to add in value. So you do a medium pressure with 1 color, and then in another location within that same color that you need, you push just a little bit harder with your coloring tools. That makes you have value so that you can see contrast between the 2 colors. Here you can see our final examples, so you can see the one I just completed, and then here's some other student examples and another logo that I had created for myself a couple of years ago. Great work, everyone. Now let's reflect. What worked really well in your design? What is another area that you could improve on? Think about those things, and we will be using them for our exit ticket at the end of this assignment. Thank you guys for watching.